bad economic time, you probably want to have or make money. So a lot of people are turning to online to see how they can make money online. Well, it's basically simple. Today we have all the options you can probably need to start making money online. We're going to be talking about how you can make money using Chat GPT. So you're probably wondering, what is Chat GPT? Well, I'll answer that for you. Chat GPT is a software that was developed by OpenAI, and basically what this software does is it allows you to enter in text into a text box and gives you the solutions to those texts. So let's say that you enter in a text about how to walk your dog. It's going to give you all the steps and solutions on how to walk your dog. Or for instance, you enter in the text of how you can invest. It's going to give you all the options that you need to invest. It's different from Google in that it actually gives you the information that you need instead of you having to type and manually look for other websites. So it's actually a good tool that you can probably use for different scenarios, such as coding and also making money, obviously. So we're gonna look at 3 things that you need in order for you to actually start doing this. Firstly, you need to log into ChatGPT. Secondly, you actually need to know how to generate the prompts and enter in the information into the text box. And thirdly, you actually need to know how to use this information. So let's go and see how ChatGPT actually works. So here I am, I just opened up my browser, and basically you can do this using any browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can basically use any browser like Chrome or any other unspecified browser to actually open this ChatGPT application. Go here to the search bar and basically type in ChatGPT and click enter. And what it's gonna do is basically gonna generate your information, and the ChatGPT site is actually gonna be present. So once this comes up, you can see here it says OpenAI, and basically you scroll down and come here to ChatGPT and click the ChatGPT site. So it will take you to this site, and basically what this has and says is you need to either log in to one page or sign up. So you have to go to sign up if you've never used ChatGPT, and what it's gonna ask you there is it's gonna ask you for your email and your password. So basically enter those in. I'm basically gonna say log in because I already created an account with ChatGPT. So once you're done with this, you have to basically enter in all your details, and I'm basically gonna enter in my details. So we'll skip on to the next page. Once all that's done, you can basically see that we have the ChatGPT webpage and the landing page. So basically what you can see here is that you can basically start a new chat, and that chat will show up here, and here is where all your other chats will be stored. And basically this information will be here until you delete the accounts or probably clear the conversations. And you can change the lighting mode to light or dark. I'm going to leave it at dark. And you can use this in Discord updates, and you can get frequently asked questions. So let's look at the examples, right? It says here, explain quantum computing in simple terms, and it gives you everything that you need about quantum computing. So basically you can type in this type of prompt and it will give you the results that you need. So it has a high capabilities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 3 instances in which you can use this to actually make money in South Africa or in other parts of the world. Firstly, you probably need to know how to make money in South Africa. So let's just type that into the prompt. How to make money in South Africa. You can basically do this in any other part of the world, but basically it's going to generate you all the things that you need in order for you to actually make money. So as you can see, here's the information that you need in order for you to make money in South Africa: starting a small business or being an entrepreneur, finding a job or working for a salary, investing in stocks, property and other assets, participating in gig economy, freelancing, selling goods or items in local markets, renting out rooms, participating in online servers or groups, focusing on money by cutting expenses and creating budget, building a passive income through affiliate marketing. So what we're going to be focusing on is basically these types: freelancing, selling goods, and renting sorry, not renting, and participating on online surveys, because that's how you make money online. So once you look at this, you basically have the basic structure that you need in order for you to actually start making money. So we're gonna then come down here and type in the best surveys to get paid in South Africa. Click enter, and basically it's gonna give you all the best surveys that are actually in South Africa that you can get paid from. I think there's a lot of sites that you can actually use, and these don't even require anything, guys. They just require you to have a phone and a laptop and actually an email and probably a password, just for you to be able to actually track your information, and they'll give you the results. So you just have to be patient with it and wait for it to load, because it's actually experiencing high volume. So as you can see, it's now starting to generate all the information that you need, right? It says there are several survey companies that operate in South Africa, and basically they pay you to participate in different kinds of options. So here we have Toluna, and we have Survey South Africa, we have YouGov, we have Survey Junk, and we have My Survey. So it keeps on generating information for you, and this information is very useful. We have Survey Club, Life Points, Harris Poll. And look at this, guys. It's actually generating you as much information as you need in order for you to actually use it. So it's important to note that some of these companies are very legitimate, and you actually need to have your own opinions or basically search for other information online. So we're gonna start with the first one, Toluna, and see if it's actually a good site. So we have to go here, and then you have to search Toluna, click OK or enter. So as you can see here, we have Influence Your World Toluna. So basically, Influence Your World Toluna has to do something with making money. We click onto the site and see what it generates us. And here, basically what you have to do here is basically you have to sign up. And what this does is influences in a community where you can voice your opinions and get rewards instantly by participating in exciting markets and research objects and relevant information to you. So basically you get paid by PayPal, Amazon, and Tesco. And these are some of the major brands in America, as you know. And this actually shows us that you probably have this shows us that you're able to make money using this site. So you have to click register or sign in. So you click register. Obviously it's gonna give you all the details that you need, like entering in your password and entering in all the information so that you can earn money. So all you need to have here is basically you need to state your country, you need to state your name, your surname, your date of birth, if you're male or female, and click next. So follow these informations, guys, and you'll be able to actually make money at the end of this whole tutorial. The next thing we're going to be talking about and looking at is making money selling products online. We all know that if you sell products on Takealot, you make a profit. So how can you actually know which products are going to be the best selling on Takealot in order for you to actually make money? So you have to enter in the information that you need to start with this. So firstly, you need to start with what do you need in order for you to make money? Well, you need to know the best selling products. And I'm not looking at if you don't have money or if you have money, but it will be important for you to know how much you're actually willing to spend and how much you have in your budget. So you have to type into Takealot, or actually onto the OpenAI software, what you're actually looking for. So type in the best products that you can probably buy on Takealot, all the best products that are being sold on Takealot, and this will give you a clear range of what products are actually being sold. As you can see, there's electronics and there's clothing, and I'll probably say that in electronics you can probably see that a lot of people are purchasing electronics, so therefore you can probably say you start selling iPhone covers or covers for phones, because those are usually the cheapest and most affordable for people who are trying to sell or retailers who are selling it to you. And it's often good for you to look at products that do not cost too much money so that you're able to actually sell them at a profit. The next thing you have to look at is the types of jobs that you can probably get, right? If you type in freelancer jobs, you see the sites that come up, such as Upwork and Fiverr. And these sites are very important in that you actually get to see which sites can actually be able to help you make money. Because if you go onto these sites, you're able to freelance, and by using ChatGPT, you can type in the prompts such as how to write a script writing or how to do an artificial voiceover in order for you to actually make videos for other people. So it's obviously good for you to look at these things as alternatives to the first one, but the survey one is obviously my best pick as it is the most efficient, and probably I'm gonna talk about it more in depth in the upcoming videos. I post every day, so be sure to check out everything that happens.